7 Good Reasons to Eat a Banana Today. 1. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 from bananas is easily absorbed by your body, and a medium-sized banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. 2. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. You may not associate bananas with vitamin C, but a medium-sized banana will provide about 10% of your daily vitamin C needs. 3. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. 4. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. 5. Bananas can aid digestion and help beat gastrointestinal issues. 6. Bananas give you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol. 7. Promotes weight loss. If you would like to see more videos on keto diet recipes for healthy weight loss, kindly subscribe to my